Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Smash Burger Spatula is probably one of the most important tools for achieving that perfect smash burger, and in this video, we'll explore why choosing the right spatula can make all the difference in creating those crispy edges and juicy interiors we all crave. We will review its design, material, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision on your next purchase. Number 5. Cuisinart Smash Burger Kit. Get ready to experience smash burger perfection with this complete kit. It has everything you need to create restaurant-quality burgers at home. Prep your patties quickly and easily with the included patty papers. They prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This heavy-duty cast iron press creates perfectly sized and evenly flattened patties every time, ensuring crispy edges. The stainless steel spatula's sharp edge slides effortlessly under each burger for a smooth flip, preserving that delicious crust. Season your patties precisely with your favorite barbecue spices using the stainless steel seasoning shaker. It's the secret to perfectly seasoned burgers. It's the ultimate kit for your next cookout, barbecue, or tailgate party. Enjoy delicious smash burgers with friends and family. What we like. It features a cast iron press for perfectly sized patties, an easy flip spatula for seamless cooking, and a seasoning shaker for customized flavors. If you're looking for a complete smash burger solution with added convenience and consistent results, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who enjoy cookouts and want to create restaurant-quality smash burgers at home, simplifying the process from prep to serving. What people say. Every piece in this set is impressive in its own right. I've been wanting to buy something to hold down my burgers and bacon, etc. for a very long time, and I can't believe I waited this long. It cuts down the cooking time for bacon and reduces spatter. The spatula is larger than I thought it would be in a good way, and the shaker is made of stainless steel. I've never seen one made out of stainless steel before. It works flawlessly. A little hot water and soap directly after using makes cleaning these things very easy. The pressing squares are very handy to use. Keeps the meat from sticking and makes the process to move through the burgers quickly a breeze. Will likely buy or make more when I run out. The spatula also nice, but handle is a bit short for over hot grill. It is nice and wide, and pretty sharp. Easily slides under for good, quick flips. The cast iron smasher works very well and has the perfect weight to properly smash the burgers. The spatula is high-quality stainless, and the beveled edge works very well to flip burgers and also clean the residue off the grill afterwards. You use one waxed paper sheet from multiple burgers, so the provided packet should last quite a while. Number 4. Big Metal Griddle Spatula. It's made of professional stainless steel, perfect for cooking various foods. This makes it ideal for restaurants or home use. This spatula is used by professional chefs and is great for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. It's built to last. Made from durable, non-reactive stainless steel, it's hygienic and built to withstand daily use. The blade is a substantial 125-inch thick. It features a comfortable, ergonomic plastic handle with a hanging hole for convenient storage. It's well balanced for easy flipping. It's great for flipping pancakes, burgers, fish, or anything you cook on a grill or griddle. This oversized spatula is perfect for BBQs and cast iron cooking. What we like. This spatula boasts a large size, perfect for handling multiple burgers at once, and is made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. If you need a heavy-duty spatula for professional use or frequent grilling, this is the one for you. Its versatility extends beyond burgers, making it suitable for various cooking tasks on grills and griddles. What people say. It's huge, both long and wide, but not too heavy. It has beveled edges so you can scrape and cut things up. The Anmarco spatula measures 8 inches long by 4 inches wide. An extra inch of width fulfills my quest for a spatula with more real estate in the working area. It scrapes everything off, because it's thick and sturdy. It's not flexible at all, which is what I want for this. My burger patty is always juicy with a nice crisp at the edge. Number 3. Beijiyi Metal Spatula Set. This set is perfect for all your cooking needs. It includes 3 spatulas, each designed for different tasks. It's made of hardened stainless steel, so it's incredibly durable and won't bend easily. The hardness addition treatment ensures long-lasting performance. The beveled edge makes it easy to slip under food for flipping or scraping. You'll get perfectly cooked food every time. The wooden handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. The double rivets add extra strength and durability. This set has everything you need. It's great for cast iron skillets, griddles, and everyday cooking. Hand wash and dry it to keep it in top condition. It's not recommended for the dishwasher because of the wooden handle. What we like. This 3-piece set offers versatility for various cooking needs, with a wooden handle for comfortable grip and easy cleaning. If you prefer a smaller, more manageable spatula with a comfortable handle and prefer hand washing, this set is a great choice for everyday cooking and smaller scale grilling. What people say. Very well made and sturdy with nice real wood handles quite firmly attached. These spatulas are varying in size and shape. They seem solid and look nice. They have actual wooden handles. The metal scraper part is great, I use it daily for cooking on cast iron and it does the job. Number 2. Mercer Culinary Hell's Handle Turner. This turner is built to last. Its stainless steel blade is perfectly balanced for flexibility and strength. The dual-textured handle provides superior grip and slip resistance. It's also heat-resistant, staying cool even in the hottest kitchens. It can withstand extreme heat up to 450 degrees, making it perfect for grilling or high-heat cooking. You'll never have to worry about it melting. For best results, simply hand wash it with warm water and soap after each use. Avoid the dishwasher for optimal longevity. Mercer is committed to providing innovative, high-quality products for both professional chefs and home cooks. It's the perfect tool for any kitchen. This turner combines quality construction with innovative design for superior performance. Get yours today. What we like. It features a heat-resistant handle for comfortable use and a durable blade for efficient flipping. If you prioritize a comfortable, safe, and long-lasting spatula, especially for high-heat cooking, this is a great option. Its design is perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs who value quality and durability. What people say. It's absolutely worth the price, no signs of rust yet, handle can handle heat pun intended. It feels premium, heck it's been scrubbed with steel wool and barely a scratch, I can tell it'll last a long time. Very little to no flex while smashing burger patties. Does not appear to affect the tool at all. Very well built, exactly what I wanted. Blades flex very little, mostly at handle. NSF certification markings etched on the blade. Handle is comfortable to hold. These are high-quality tools. Number 1. ALLTOP Smash Burger Press. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's durable and rust-resistant. Unlike cast iron, it's also completely smokeless. Notice it's sturdy, flat bottom. No screws are needed for extra stability. This ensures perfectly even pressure every time. The smooth surface prevents sticking, making cleanup a breeze. It's even dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Get creative. Use it to make sandwiches, bacon, paninis, steak, even mashed potatoes. The possibilities are endless. It not only flattens patties, but also distributes heat evenly for perfectly crispy burgers. It's also great for melting cheese and grilling bacon. Cooking will be faster and easier than ever before. Say goodbye to struggling with spatulas, it makes grilling a breeze, indoors or out. What we like. This Smash Burger Press features a non-stick, smooth surface for easy cleaning and perfectly even patties. If you are looking for a simple, efficient tool for making smash burgers and other flat-top cooking, this is a great choice. Its versatility extends beyond burgers, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. What people say. Very sturdy but not heavy, super heavy. Easy to clean and works like a champ. Perfect size for smash burgers. Well made, but not heavy like a weighted grill press for outdoor cooking. Smash burgers extraordinaire. Really helps with shaping the patty and with adding a bit of a sear to it. It's easy to wash and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.